Kid Next Door.
Mama, I'm hungry.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Eat this banana.
Banana? So boring. Let's make something exciting out of it. I need a banana. Some cornflakes. Puffed rice. Some toothpicks. Chocolate sauce. An empty bowl. A butter knife. Or a spoon. Let's get started. First, you have to crush the cornflakes. You have to crush it nicely. Next, you take the bowl, put the chocolate sauce on it. Oops, I spilled some. But be careful. Peel the banana. See, the shape looks like a bone. That means banana is good for your bones. You have to take the butter knife and slice the banana. Then keep the all banana straight nicely. Take one banana piece, put in the chocolate, then on the cornflakes, and ta-da! This is your banana bite. Like that, you have to make with some peas. Keep the cornflakes away. Take the puffed rice. You'll do the same thing. Dip the banana in chocolate, then on the puff rice. You keep all the pieces on the plate. You are done. Then you can put toothpick in each banana piece. Like that, banana bites ready. Enjoy it for your family. If you have any interesting recipe, please share in the comments below. Goodbye, see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe us and please press our bell button.